guys, welcome to Sakith. Today in Sakith we are going to be seeing about stars and galaxies. What are stars? A star is a massive self-luminous ball made up of very hot gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. Stars shine and release energy by burning hydrogen into helium at their cores through a process known as nuclear fusion. Outside the core, energy is released outwards by a process called radiation. Closer to surface, energy moves out by convection, where hot gases rise, cool down, and then sink back to the surface. All stars are not the same. They vary in appearance, size, mass, color, temperature, etc. Stars exist either alone, such as the Sun, or they exist in pairs or clusters. All the countless stars which have viewed in the galaxies are generally studied and observed in the comparison to the Sun. Scientists believe that the current age of Sun is around 4.5 billion years. Friedrich von Stauff was born in Germany but fled his country in 1808. In order to avoid getting enlisted for the war by Napoleon's army, he first went to Denmark and later to Russia, which is where he spent most of his life. He is one of the world's greatest astronomers of the 19th century and the first generation of accomplished astronomers in his family. He established and pioneered the study of binary stars. He also surveyed 1,20,000 stars in the northern hemisphere, which was his greatest works in his lifetime. Sun is a yellow dwarf star, a hot ball of glowing gases at the heart of our solar system. Its gravities hold everything from the biggest planets to tiny debris in the orbit. Sun is the largest object in our solar system. Sun's volume will need 1.3 million Earth to fit it. Its gravity holds the solar system together, keeping everything from the biggest planets to the smallest bits of debris in our orbit around it. Who is Edwin Hubble? Edwin Hubble studied long only in the place of his father, who was insist upon it. After his father died in 1913, he followed his passion and studied astronomy in Chicago. He also served as in the US Army during both World Wars between 1823 to 1925. He was responsible for identifying a particular class of stars in three nebulas and definitely proving that these were outside of the Milky Way. What is nebula? A nebula is a giant cloud of gas, hydrogen and helium, and dust from which stars are born. No two nebulas look the same. They differ in appearance due to variations in temperature, the density of material observed. They also differ depending on how the materials is suited in space in relation to observer. Nebulas are often referred as a star narcissus because they are regions when a new star starts to develop. Other nebulas are formed from gas and dust, which is generated when star dies in a massive explosion. The Whaley Nebula. National Aeronautics and Space Administration's Hubble Space Telescope discovered the Whale Nebula, an executive remnant of one of the best known supernovas caused by the Earth's explosion of massive stars 20 times bigger than the Sun. The star exploded nearly 8,000 years ago. Please like, share, and comment this video and subscribe to Sakith.